Did you know that a single breath can shift your mood and calm your mind? Yoga expert Ria Vyas, founder of Unalome Yoga Wellness Studio and co-founder of Sol Wellness, has unveiled a time-tested breathing technique that could revolutionize your approach to stress and anxiety. This simple practice, known as Sama Vritti Pranayama or box breathing, promises to ground you in the present and offer a much-needed break from the chaos of daily life. But here's where it gets controversial. While many dismiss traditional practices as outdated, Vyas argues that these ancient methods are essential for modern wellness. This technique, rooted in centuries-old yogic traditions, is designed to create a mental pause, like a reset button for your nervous system. In an Instagram video posted on July 28, Vyas demonstrated how to perform box breathing in just 5 minutes, offering a practical solution for those overwhelmed by stress and anxiety. The process involves 4 equal steps. Inhale for 4 counts, hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. By repeating this cycle, you can instantly anchor your focus and reduce the relentless racing of your thoughts. But why does this work? According to Yoga Basics, Sama Vritti Pranayama balances the body's energy channels, promoting deep breathing and oxygen flow. Unlike quick fixes like caffeine or apps, this method targets the root of anxiety by calming the brain's default mode network. Vyas explains, it's not just about breathing, it's about reprogramming your mind to stay grounded. However, skeptics argue that such techniques require consistent practice and may not address underlying issues like chronic stress or mental health conditions. Here's how to master it. 1. Sit comfortably with your hands on your belly and heart. 2. Inhale slowly over 4 counts, then hold for 4. 3. Exhale over 4 counts, then hold again. 4. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes. The benefits are clear: reduced anxiety, improved focus, and a sense of control. But what about the science behind it? Research suggests that controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, slowing heart rate and lowering cortisol levels. Yet, critics warn that without professional guidance, beginners might misinterpret the technique or overlook its limitations. Note, this article is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying new practices. So, are you ready to try this simple yet powerful tool? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe this method could be the key to reducing stress, or do you think it's just another trend? Let's discuss the science, the skeptics, and the future of mindfulness in today's fast-paced world.